Welcome to our channel where we help you master digital finance solutions with simple, effective steps if you're having trouble accessing your SoFi account. Recovering it can seem daunting, but with the right steps, it's manageable and quick. Let's walk through how to fix account recovery in SoFi so you regain control in no time. First, start by heading to the official SoFi login page and locate the Forgot Password or Recover Account option. Click on it to begin the recovery process. You will be prompted to enter the email address or phone number linked to your SoFi account. Make sure you use the exact one you registered with to avoid delays. After submitting your information, SoFi will send you a recovery code or a password reset link via email or text message. Check your inbox carefully, including the spam or junk folders, as sometimes automated emails end up there. Once you receive the recovery code or link, follow the instructions to reset your password or verify your identity. If you receive a code, enter it into the website where requested. If it's a reset link, click it and create a new secure password that you can remember but is difficult to guess. To strengthen your account security after recovery, we recommend enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA through SoFi's security settings. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a secondary confirmation when logging in. If you don't receive any recovery email or text, double-check the contact information entered was correct and try requesting it again. Sometimes server delays or network issues may cause a temporary hold. Should difficulties persist even after multiple attempts, contact SoFi customer support directly via phone or chat. They can verify your identity using additional details and help you regain access safely. Always keep your account information updated and avoid sharing sensitive login details with anyone to prevent future lockouts. Following these steps carefully will ensure you can recover your SoFi account efficiently and securely. Remember, the key is patience and attention to detail during the recovery prompts and communications. Stay calm and follow the procedure step by step for the best results.